3 people are dead after a crash between a semi-truck and a Toyota Camry in Kings County, California. It happened Saturday night this past weekend at an intersection in the Stratford area just south of the city of Lemoore. The driver of the car had 4 passengers with him. They were traveling southbound on 17th Avenue approaching Kansas Avenue when the motorist failed to yield a right-of-way to an oncoming semi-truck. The eastbound truck crashed into the passenger side of the car. 3 people were riding in the back seat, and all 3 died following the crash. Authorities say they were not wearing their seatbelts, and the only survivors of the Camry were the driver and the front seat passenger. They were both treated for minor to moderate injuries. My name is James Johnson. I'm a personal injury attorney in California, and I handle accident cases in Kings County and throughout California. I discuss cases in the news, provide safety tips, and bring awareness to dangerous conditions. My hope and purpose for creating this blog is that future tragedies such as this one might be prevented. First of all, my condolences go out to the families of those who lost their lives. News of this deadly crash is heartbreaking, but like most collisions, it could have been prevented. The first mistake happened when the driver of the Camry failed to yield to oncoming traffic. The car had a stop sign as it approached the intersection. The truck driver did not. We don't know if the motorist in the Camry stopped or not, but it appears he pulled out in front of the truck driver when it was not safe to do so. The 2 vehicles collided, and the car went off the roadway and crashed into a pole. We don't know if the truck driver was speeding or not. Authorities are investigating the crash and will determine if the truck driver's speed was a factor. Police investigating the crash did confirm that the 3 people who died were not wearing seatbelts. That doesn't mean they would have survived the crash, but we do know that half of the fatalities in the United States involve someone not wearing a seatbelt. Furthermore, the National Safety Council reports that 9 out of 10 people wear a seatbelt, and those people make up the other 50% of fatalities. So as you can see, the 10% who didn't wear a seatbelt accounted for 50% of the fatalities. I can't think of any stronger argument to wear your seatbelt every time you get into a car. There may be justice for those who died through a civil lawsuit with the help of an experienced personal injury attorney who can look into all the facts and build a case. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or would like me to discuss any other topic. And finally, subscribe for more content like this.